In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can check the battery health level of your Chromebook device. And I think you already know that the battery is the hardware in pretty much any electronic device that will degrade over time, and it's not going to be performing at best anymore, especially after multiple discharge and charge cycle. And also over time, it's just going to be degrade, and the battery level is not going to be as big as it was originally manufactured. But how do you know how can we see what is the health level, or what is the actual capacity of the battery itself? Well, fortunately, Chromebook comes with a diagnostic tool that allows us to see general info about the battery. So in order to see that, you have to open the launcher menu and navigate the settings. And here you want to scroll down and go to About Chrome OS. And by the way, I think it's a good reminder that you have to update your Chrome OS to the latest version in order to acquire this feature. If you're using a version that is outdated, then I highly recommend to just update to the latest version to get this feature. And after that, you will see there is a diagnostic tool that you can open. And this will show you a lot of information like the battery, CPU, memory, etc. But of course, the one that we care a lot in this video is the battery health level. So right now you can see that I'm using a Chromebook with 7000 mAh of battery, and there are 48 cycle count, which I think is still pretty healthy. And you can see that the battery health is 95%. So this is an estimated by Chromebook, and I think this is considered healthy because the general rule of thumb is if your battery is 80% is still pretty good. But if it's below 80%, it is actually still good, but you are going to notice that it will drain power a lot faster. But basically anything above 80%, then you're good to go, and I don't think you need to upgrade or change the battery. From the battery standpoint, it's still very much healthy. Okay, so you can also run discharge test, which will take several minutes to complete, and you are going to see the result. But usually this is not really necessary because it's just to confirm that this number is correct. But if you're curious, you can definitely run the discharge test. So that was the general info about the battery. But what if you want to know even more detailed info about the battery? Well, for that, you need to install a third-party app, and you can go to Google Play Store. And there are a lot of battery monitoring or battery info apps that are available for free, and they are can be used for a Chromebook as well. So I'm going to start by using AccuBattery. That's a quite popular app to check for battery health, and this is also for Android, but of course they do available for Chrome OS. So I'm going to install that, and I'm going to show you what this app actually offering, what info that it shows beyond just the general, like the battery capacity, battery health, etc. So this app is going to dig much deeper and hopefully will give you better insight about the battery health of your Chromebook device. Now we're just waiting until the installation is finished, and now we can open the app. Okay, this is just a warning that this app is designed for mobile and it's not for landscape orientation. It's okay because we can change that anyway. So I'm going to switch from landscape to portrait. And now this is just some onboarding information. We can skip that. It's not terribly important. So please disconnect your charger and wait for a moment. We are detecting polarity in electrical current unit of the measurements. I don't have anything connected to my Chromebook device, so we just wait until this process is finished. Alright, now the calibration process has been finished and it should be progressed any second now. Okay, I'm going to click continue. Okay, so it detects a lot of information. Battery design capacity 1000 cycle, which is a lot. That's basically years of usage. Okay, I'm going to just click finish, and we should be able to see some info. Let me close this. Some notification, it's not terribly important. Okay, so battery life estimate, there is an info. A lot of them are actually something that I don't understand, but if these pieces of information are meaningful for you, then you can definitely use that. And maybe you want to run some debugging, like maybe there's a problem with the device and you want to know whether or not the battery was the main issue. Then I think this app is a great place to start. So yeah, I think this app is very useful, but I think for general users, the diagnostic tools in Chromebook, built-in tool in Chromebook, is I think good enough. So there you go. That's how you can check for battery health of your Chromebook device. I hope you find this video to be helpful, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.